5, we have empty set. A set is said to be empty when it has no element, and an empty set can be represented as this, either a braces with no element in it or this. Please note, if you do this, this is not an empty set. Rather, this is said to be a set of 1, and we refer to this as singleton. Now, singleton is said to be we can also call it a unit set, and is defined as a set with just one element. So that is an example of an empty set. By listing, you can describe an empty set to be a human being with 3 heads. For we know that it is never possible for you to have a human with 3 heads. So if you are asked to list the set of human beings with 3 heads, then we refer to such a set as an empty set because it does not have any element.